Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Bailey Sarian, and today I wanted to create something like soft and luminous and just pretty for either a daytime look, or this could even be like a nighttime date night look. It's really up to you because it's just makeup and you can like wear it wherever you want to wear it and where you think it would fit your lifestyle. But I also want to include some of the goodies that I received in my IPSY July glam bag. As some of you may know, I am an IPSY creator, and what that means is every month I receive a little bit more goodies in my glam bag for me to explain what the product is, what it does, what you can do with it, how to use it, maybe give you some ideas on tips and tricks, all of that good stuff. Anywho, I will shut up because I ramble, and let's get into the tutorial. I'm gonna wash my face. So today I'm using the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. This is a fragrance-free cleanser that's great for any skin type. It's going to remove any leftover makeup, oil, dirt, grime, but we just want to start off with a very clean canvas. Once I've rinsed my face off with water, I'm now going to do a face mask. This is by Apto Skincare, and it's the Apto Healing Turmeric Mask. So this is great for any skin types, but it's mainly going to help with calming down redness to the skin, also help really with these breakouts, but it's really going to suck out the impurities in the skin. You want to leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you just rinse it right off. Lately, I've been liking to do my eyebrows before my foundation. I never used to do this, but just like recently I've been doing it more. Whatever, my life story. For my eyebrow, I am using the Pop Peak Performance Brow. This is a shade Natural Brunette, and it has a nice slant to it so you can create feather-like brow hairs. It also has a spoolie on the other end, so you could brush the product right through the brow if you want it to be softer, if you got too much. It's very creamy, it's easy to apply. It's an all-around nice brow product. Oh, you get a lot. Put that back. The foundation I'm going to be using today is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. I have the shade Y225, and because I am dry and I want to have a nice luminosity to my skin, I'm going to be mixing in the Wander Beauty Glotion. This is in the shade Celestial, an illuminating lotion that will give you a really pretty champagne pearl finish. You can wear this on top of foundation, mixed in with foundation, even mix it in with your moisturizer. Kokie Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. This one is in the shade Light. Creamy, it's easy to blend, and it's got a high pigment to it. It makes a nice under eye concealer, but it also has light reflectors in it, so it does help illuminate and brighten. To set my under eyes to prevent it from creasing and just moving on me throughout the day, I'm going to be using the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I'm just going to use my sponge and lightly tap it underneath my eyes, around my nose, on my chin. This is the Pacifica Coconut Blush Duo. This is in the shade Beaming and Tender Heart. These are cruelty-free and 100% vegan. So I'm using a fluffier brush with this first shade right here in the hollow of my cheek, kind of buffing it upwards. I'm also placing this across my forehead. Then switching to this pinky tone right on the apple of my cheek. Well, more on my cheekbone, I would say. I want to do a softer eye, so I think I'm just going to do like a little liner. So I say now, but you know, sometimes the liner chooses the look for you. This is the Eyeshadow Skinny Travel Liquid Eyeliner, and the shade is Carbon Black. It's precise, smudge proof, and it's pitch black. I'm taking a small brush. This is a IPSY Beauty. Oh, there's no number or anything. Okay. I'm just going to tap a little bit of this bronze shade right into the crease of my eyes, warm it up a bit, add some dimension, but also have it tie in to the rest of my face. I'm going to put on a coat of mascara, and I'll be right back. Once I have put mascara on my top and bottom lashes, I'm now going to do my lips. So I want to do a bold, bright color. I am lining my lips first using the Lord & Berry Ultimate Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Mandarin. This is a comfort matte formula. It's super creamy and easy to apply as well. So for my lip color, I'm using the Half Caked Makeup Lip Fondant, and this is in the shade Girl Crush. This is long-lasting, transfer-proof, and non-drying, which is so nice in a liquid lipstick. I want to add a lip gloss on top. This is the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind, and it is her sparkling lip gloss in the shade Papaya. It has a sheer wash of color to it, so it makes layering very easy, and it's more of a sophisticated shimmer versus glitter jam-packed on the lips. Another item I received in my July glam bag is the Organic Pharmacy Hand Cream in Marigold and Comfrey. It's going to moisturize, repair, and really soothe the skin. I am so dry right now, so I'll take anything I could get. It smells like the fruit aisle in the grocery store, but like fresh fruit. Okay, wait, is that a good example? It just smells like fruit, and it feels very moisturizing to the skin. The last item I want to share with you guys, Be Livin' nail polish, and this is in the shade Awesome. It's bright, it's vibrant. I was wearing this in my last video that I uploaded. Stupidly took it off right before I started filming because it had been like 2 weeks and it started to chip, so it wasn't the cutest. But I just painted it over here. It's a really vibrant, bright pink, great for summertime. They're cruelty-free, vegan, and 5 free, plus paraben-free. There are a lot of frees. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you love it? I think it's pretty. It's really luminous and fresh and just great for an everyday. How about a date night look? Because I know a lot of people are going to say this lip is not an everyday. And that's not my teeth. I want to say a big thank you to IPSY and all the brand partners for the goodies that I received in my July glam bag. Let me know what you guys think down below. Would you wear this look? I know you would. Don't lie. Don't lie to me. I hope you have a good day today. You make good choices, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon.